What is up, guys? SVT Topper here, and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see, we're doing an unboxing of the S77 welds with a polished finish and the bead locks. We went with the 17x10s all around, 2 bead locks in the rear, regulars in the front. We're also going to be showing you guys how we install the bead locks and how we mount the tires, just in case you don't want to go to a shop or something. Basically, all you want to do is want to get some lubrication for your tires. You don't want to break the bead on it, because if you rip the bead, that's pretty much it. You're done. You're gonna have to need a pair of tires, unless you want to use some JB Weld. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. Well, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. My tuner just hit me up. The Whipple's on the way already. They barely shipped it today, so it should be getting here next week, if anything late Friday, this Friday. But it won't be good for anything because we won't be able to run. So let's just hope it gets here on time for next Friday so we can take it out to the track. But if you would like to support the channel, I recommend you to check the link down below. Cop some merch. We got some new merch. We got some hats, we got some hoodies and shirts for all you guys, and some decals. For example, we got this white one right here, LUR, La Union Racing, and we got the black and white one. So whichever one you guys like, just click the link in the bio. I also want to give a huge shout out to DV8 Designs. They hooked it up with these welds, so go check them out. Link down below, DV8 Designs. But for the next video, guys, it's gonna be the Whipple installation, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'm out.